Good morning and welcome back to the online classes. In the last few classes we were discussing about metallic minerals and we have learned about iron ore and manganese. Today we will study about two another metallic minerals. First one bauxite and the second one copper. Let us study in detail about bauxite. India is the third largest producer of bauxite in the world. Bauxite is an ore from which aluminium is refined or produced. And aluminium is mostly used for the electrical industry and also for the aircraft industry. Aluminium is also used for the production of different types of utensils and also for the minting of coins. Now let us study about the distribution of bauxite in India. Odisha, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. These are the states in which bauxite reserves are found in India. Bauxite and its uses. Bauxite is a raw material for making aluminium. It is a rock consisting of hydrated aluminium oxides. Bauxite is used for making, or aluminium is used for making aircrafts, ships and utensils. It is also used in electrical industry because of its good conductivity. It is also used for making headlights, reflectors, mirrors and telescope. Bauxite is also used in different industries like cement industry, chemical industry, soda cans, dishwashers, etc. Distribution of bauxite in the world. Bauxite is an important ore from which aluminium is produced or refined. Aluminium is largely used in the electrical industry and aircraft industry. It is also used in utensils and minting of coins, etc. Jamaica is the leading producer of bauxite in the world and followed by Suriname. The other important producers of bauxite are France, Guyana, Ghana, Hungary, Australia and United States. Now let us study about the copper. Copper is highly ductile, which means it can be drawn out into a thin wire. It is very strong and also a good conductor of electricity. Copper is a very important metal because of its high conductivity. It is largely used in electrical industry for the transmission of electricity and for making electrical appliances. Now let us study about the uses of copper. The use of copper is universal or very common in India from very past. Even in the early days of civilization, copper was used for making arms, ammunitions and utensils. Copper is in great demand in the industrial field because of its high ductivity and high thermal and electrical conductivity. It is mainly used in electrical machinery, automobile industry, stainless steel and telephones. Copper is also used in railway equipment industry and other engineering works. Copper fairly or copper is widely used for making alloys because fairly resistant to atmospheric corrosion. Alloys such as brass, it is a mixture of copper and zinc, and when it is mixed with the tin, it will produce bronze which are very strong and durable. Another important alloy, that is a mixture of nickel and copper, which is very tough and resistant against corrosion, and that is why it is used as a material for the construction in the chemical industry. Distribution of copper in India. Madhya Pradesh is the leading producer of copper in India, followed by Rajasthan and Jharkhand. In Rajasthan, copper is found at different districts. Jharkhand is the third largest producer of copper in India. Copper is mined in Hazaribagh and Palamu districts of Jharkhand. Now let us study about the distribution of copper in the world. Copper is very important metal because of its high conductivity. It is largely used in electrical industry for the transmission of electricity and for making electrical appliances. Chile is the leading producer of copper in the world. USA, Russia, Canada and Africa are the other important countries where copper reserves are found in the world. That is the end of today's class. Thank you very much.